Dry cleaners keep their customers looking good for those all-important business meetings, a much-anticipated social event, or important family occasions. Wet cleaning is used as an alternative to solvent and chemical usage in the dry cleaning business. It's a safer method. Environmentally, it's one of the least harmful means of dry cleaning. Wet cleaning relies on readily available tap water as a solvent to release unwanted grime. Detergent is added to the water and acts as a protecting and cleaning agent. The detergent lubricates the garment in the machine and protects it from shrinkage. Wet cleaning poses no fire hazard. It allows for a safe, less toxic, and easier to manage workplace when compared with other methods. What are the challenges of wet cleaning? For one, this method relies on water and specialized detergents to clean. As a result, delivering the same quality of cleanliness and appearance as other solvent-based processes, such as PERC, can be a challenge, especially for greases and oil stains. PERC, short for perchloroethylene, is a popular solvent used in dry cleaning. Its toxic nature, however, is a suspected carcinogen that may threaten both human health and our shared environment. Also, clothing labels do not always recognize commercial wet cleaning options. This leaves the dry cleaner open to liability issues in handling some garments that are labeled dry clean only. Finally, some fabrics cannot be exposed to water, such as leather and suede. Those garments must be sent to a separate facility. Fortunately, the advanced technology for wet cleaning can meet most garment cleansing needs. Computer programmable industrial machines have tight specifications for different clothing types. Water level, water temperature, and agitation must be strictly fine-tuned. Less energy is required to heat the water and agitate clothes. Clothing is not over-agitated, preserving most delicate fabrics. There is little residue other than dirty water, and in many cases, a non-toxic detergent is all that is left behind. Water can be flushed into the regular sewer system of the urban municipality. The quality and nature of the local water can be an issue. To prevent water hardness, an operator should use a salt water softening system. Soft water makes the detergents and conditioners more potent, thus reducing the amount of detergents used and eventually disposed. The expert dry cleaner recognizes that garment volume in the wet cleaning process varies. In this way, water and energy are used most efficiently. For instance, delicate items and sensitive pulpous fiber-based materials, including wool suits, silk fabrics, and cashmere and angora sweaters, need more space relative to the overall size of the machine. Wet cleaning practitioners know what works best in their machinery. Each system has recommended specifications. The amount of time a garment is in the washing cycle is also important. Abiding by appropriate washing times saves energy, allows for the throughput of more garments in a 24-hour cycle, and, most importantly, improves garment quality and customer satisfaction. Wet clean garments are now sent through a conditioning process to treat fibers and retain some moisture for pressing and creasing. A tumble dryer ensures that any dampness in the garment is reduced to a small fraction. This evaporates as the garment is readied for pickup by the customer. After the dryer, clothes are hung on racks to fully dry and are then pressed. Tension and finishing equipment is also required to press and iron garments. The use of water as a solvent requires tapping into local water resources. In some jurisdictions, access to and quantities of water use can be limited. Its eventual disposal, as with any wastewater product, ultimately requires municipal treatment. The dry cleaner's choice of detergents also has the potential to create environmental issues. Environmentally friendly detergents using natural oils and green designated cleaning agents are progressively being tested. Many eco brands are now available that can minimize environmental impact. Because of its less harmful impact on the environment, wet cleaning may become one of the few tolerated dry cleaning processes for many urban areas in the future. Carrying out day-to-day operation in a healthy and environmentally responsible manner is just good and cost-effective business practice. Dry cleaners can also apply other best practices for wet cleaning. Install drain plugs on all floor drains in the event of a spill of any solvent, wastewater, or residue. Dispose of wastewater and residue by following municipal waste generation legal requirements. Clean component parts regularly, including condensing coils, fan blades, and lint screens. Meet occupational health and safety requirements for the wet cleaning process and worker safety. Train all employees on environmental requirements to ensure on-site knowledge about the wet cleaning operation. Workers should also know about the proper disposal of wastewater and other released grime. Wet cleaning uses biodegradable and environmentally safer products, such as detergents and finishing agents. This is a strong selling feature to customers and the municipalities where wet cleaners operate. By using water as the main solvent and moving away from phosphate-based soaps, wet cleaners ensure their continued access to city sewer systems. As an added benefit, wet cleaning equipment and associated safety requirements are more affordable to purchase and maintain. Other dry cleaning methods require stringent oversight for the handling and disposal of toxic and flammable chemical materials. Wet cleaning is a natural and better way to create a cleaner future. Environmental choices today will be increasingly essential in the future. Clean clothes, plus clean environment, plus happy and healthy customers equal good business.